Hi guys, Retro Jingo here. Today we are going to unbox a Raspberry Pi 400. I'm really looking forward to this because I am a huge Amiga fan, and with this beautiful Raspberry Pi 400 I'm gonna be able to play Amiga games. I'm gonna emulate the old Amiga 30-year-old computer, and I just hope that it works fine. I made another video with a proper setup Amiga image, and my Raspberry Pi 3B couldn't handle it. It just couldn't run it the proper way. So let's just go ahead and try it on the Neo 400 model. Let's just start this. All right, guys. So what do we have here? First of all, this is already unpacked. As you can see, we have got the HDMI cable. Now all of this is officially Raspberry Pi stuff. So yeah, the cable, as you can see with the logo over here, beautiful stuff. So yeah, that's in place. The next thing we're gonna check out is actually the power supply unit. Again, official USB-C power supply for the Raspberry Pi European model, and it's black. Let's go ahead and unbox that. Small, simple, and I think this is about, let me see here, 3 amps. Usually I use 2.5 on my Raspberry Pi 3s, but this is 3 amps. So we got a little bit more juice. That's a great solution. I have had power issues using unofficial power on my Raspberry Pi 3. Really don't recommend that. Use the real stuff, man. Beautiful. The next part is the official Raspberry Pi mouse. I've been looking forward to trying this mouse out because the price of this is just, it's so cheap, guys. You get a lot of computer for your money. It reminds me of the old Logitech mouses from the 90s. Let's just adjust the camera just a bit down here. There we go. Well, you know what, guys? It actually feels good. Nice, man. Wow. Positively surprised. Now, the Raspberry Pi 400 PC sit. This is I'm from Denmark, Danish model. Meet Raspberry Pi, your complete all-in-one built-in PC in a keyboard, quad-core 64-bit processor, wireless network, two 4K video outs. Great stuff. So because of the size, it has got this big metal plate here, and it uses that metal plate to cool down the processor, which is a great solution. So that's why this Pi 400 model that comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM, but the processor, the quad-core processor 64-bit, runs a bit faster than the usual one. So this one runs at 1.8 gigahertz. So it's just juiced a bit up, but still with this solution it gets cooled down perfectly. So it's a nice, really nice solution, guys. I love this. And all sort of stuff, you know, we got the wireless USB and USB 3 and 2 and micro SD, OpenGL support. Nice stuff, man. So what this one actually says is you can hook up 2 monitors and run 4K video playback. I mean, when I read something like this, I would think that I can run, you know, YouTube, with 2 monitors at 4K, but I really don't think that that would be possible, guys. But still, 2 video, that's beautiful. So let's just go ahead and unbox this one together. Wow. I mean, wow, all the way. 2 seconds, guys. Wow. I mean, seriously, for the price, how can they sell it this cheap, man? I know they produce them in millions and okay, I'm gonna play retro games emulating MS-DOS with these keys. That's not the best way to play Doom, but oh man, it's lovely. I'm gonna emulate Amiga and retro consoles. On the Amiga I have to use F10 to quit games and sometimes choose 1 player or 2 players. So if I should use this keyboard for everyday use, for typing I guess it's alright, but gaming retro DOS games and stuff like that, WASD, I mean, I guess it's okay. It's okay. Again, it's so cheap, man. It's so cheap. So, wow, I like it. You can see here the cooler that I was talking about. My fellow YouTubers has made other videos where they pop up this plastic and take a look at inside. But we have a lock here. We have the internet cable here, USB 3.0, 2.0. The power connector, USB-C, dual HDMI out, that's great. We got micro SD and the GPIO over here. It's covered, nice, man, great stuff. I want to say thank you for watching this, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. I hope you will subscribe because the next video is actually gonna be a video with this beautiful Raspberry Pi 400 that I'm so excited about, and I'm gonna run Amiga emulation on it, and we're gonna test some games and demos. I'm gonna see how compatible it is, how it runs, can it replace an old Amiga from 1992 or not? That's the question. Thank you for watching, guys. I wish you a great day. And thank you for my supporters on Patreon. Thank you, guys. Have a great day out there. Bye.